Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable mini table saws available on the market right now. Whether you're into crafting, DIY woodworking, or just need a compact saw for precision cutting, this list has got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. At rank number 5, we have the Woodworking mini table saw with 96-watt power and multiple adjustable features. This saw is designed for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who value precision and versatility. With a cutting thickness adjustable from 0 to 15 millimeters and a 7-speed power adapter, you can customize the blade height and speed to suit your material and project needs. It comes with 4 saw blades, each tailored for cutting materials like wood, PVC, plastic, and acrylic, making it an excellent choice for small-scale crafting. In terms of design, this saw is compact and lightweight, measuring just 5 inches by 7 inches and weighing only 3.74 pounds. Despite its size, it packs a punch with its adjustable features. The inclusion of essential accessories like dust collection tubes and bevel cutting gauges adds to its practicality. However, the build quality of the protective cover and overall stability could be improved, as it feels less robust compared to higher-ranked models. Performance-wise, this saw is great for light-duty tasks, but struggles with thicker materials. It is ideal for model making and small DIY projects, but professionals may find it limiting. The adjustable speed is a standout feature, but the motor's lower wattage compared to other options in this list makes it less powerful. Overall, this saw is an affordable and functional choice for beginners, but not the most durable or versatile option. Pros: lightweight, customizable speed and height. Cons: limited cutting power, not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the Vevitz 4-inch mini table saw. This saw is tailored for DIY woodworking and crafting, featuring a 60-watt motor and a no-load speed of 4,500 RPM. It's equipped with 3 different blades capable of cutting soft metals like aluminum and copper, as well as harder materials like stainless steel and glass. With a maximum cutting depth of 15 millimeters, it's suitable for small to medium-sized projects. The design is compact and user-friendly. Measuring 7.5 by 5.5 by 4.7 inches, this saw is slightly larger than other mini saws, but still portable. The low-noise motor is a welcome feature, and the shock-absorbing rubber pads enhance stability during operation. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included manual and accessories. However, its 60-watt motor is less powerful compared to others in this category, which limits its performance on tougher materials. Performance-wise, this saw excels at crafting and DIY projects. It's not designed for professional-grade tasks, but is perfect for hobbyists working with wood, glass, and soft metals. The cutting guard and miter gauge improve safety and accuracy, though its lower power output may require extra effort for precise cuts. Pros: versatile blade options, quiet operation. Cons: limited cutting depth, lower motor power. Ranked number 3 is the Woodworking mini multifunctional portable craft saw. This saw is a versatile powerhouse for cutting, sanding, and engraving, making it perfect for craft enthusiasts. With a cutting depth adjustable between 0.1 millimeter and 16 millimeters, it offers flexibility for materials like wood, acrylic, and plastic. The 100-watt motor delivers a solid 6,000 RPM, and the 7 speed settings allow for tailored performance. The build quality and design are solid, with thoughtful features like a hex wrench blade adjustment system and a compact footprint. However, its user manual warns against keeping the saw blade installed when not in use, which may be inconvenient for some users. The transparent safety shield and rubber feet enhance safety and stability, though its size makes it less portable than smaller models. Performance-wise, this saw stands out for its multifunctionality and precision. It's ideal for DIY projects and small-scale crafting, but may not be suitable for heavy-duty professional tasks. The ability to switch between cutting and engraving modes is a major plus. Pros: multifunctional design, adjustable speed and cutting depth. Cons: less portable, Safety considerations during blade replacement. At number 2, we have the CowWow Portable Mini Table Saw for crafting and woodworking. This saw is a fantastic all-rounder with interchangeable blades for cutting wood, plastic, and metal. It boasts a powerful 100-watt motor with a maximum speed of 6,000 RPM and 7 adjustable speed settings, ensuring precise cuts for a variety of materials. The cutting depth ranges from 0 to 16 millimeters, and the adjustable angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees makes it highly versatile. The design is sleek and efficient, measuring 7.1 inches by 6.3 inches by 4.3 inches and weighing only 6.1 pounds, making it lightweight and portable. The cast iron body and non-slip rubber feet provide stability during operation, while the transparent safety guard enhances user safety. It also includes a flexible shaft for drilling and engraving, adding more functionality to your toolbox. Performance-wise, this saw delivers excellent results for both beginners and professionals. It's perfect for DIY projects, crafting, and small-scale woodworking. The adjustable speed and cutting angle ensure accuracy and precision, though its price point may be slightly higher than other models. Pros: versatile functionality, durable build quality. Cons: slightly higher price point, not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the CowWow Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. This saw tops the list for its exceptional combination of features, design, and performance. With an adjustable height range of 0 to 16 millimeters and a cutting angle adjustable from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, it provides unparalleled flexibility for a wide range of cutting tasks. The 100-watt motor delivers a powerful 6,000 RPM, and the 7 speed settings ensure optimal performance for different materials. It also comes with 4 types of saw blades, making it suitable for cutting wood, plastic, acrylic, metal, and even ceramics. The design prioritizes durability and user safety. The cast iron body and anti-slip rubber feet provide stability during operation, while the transparent safety shield protects against flying debris. Despite its robust construction, it remains lightweight and portable. Measuring only 7.09 inches by 6.30 inches by 3.94 inches. The saw also includes over 100 small accessories, making it the most versatile option on our list. In terms of performance, this saw is a standout for both beginners and professionals. It offers precise cutting, polishing, and engraving capabilities, making it ideal for DIY projects, crafting, and even light industrial use. The adjustable speed and angle ensure accuracy, and its compact size makes it easy to transport. Pros: versatile functionality, durable build quality, and excellent cutting precision. Cons: none significant, though it might be overkill for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect portable mini table saw for your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. If you have any questions about these products or need further guidance, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.